Hello everyone. Today I'm trying something a little different. I have decided to add audio commentary to some of my videos. Let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. Thank you very much. Now let's talk about this marble cake. Marble cake, or gâteau marbré as it is called in France, is no doubt a beautiful cake. But most importantly, it is really delicious. It's perfect with coffee or tea, and kids love it too. So let's get started. First, we need slightly softened unsalted butter and sugar. If your butter isn't soft enough, you can microwave it for like 5, 10, maybe 12 seconds. But be careful, do not melt the butter. Once your butter is soft enough, cream it together with the sugar until it's light and fluffy. Next up, the eggs. This recipe is very particular about them. We need 3 large eggs, and their combined weight should be exactly 165 grams, which is 5.85 ounces. If your eggs are a little over, scoop out the excess with the spoon. It might sound a bit precise, but trust me, this attention to detail ensures the perfect texture for your cake. Luckily for me, my eggs were only a gram overweight today. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing until the batter is smooth and uniform. Don't worry if it looks like it's curdling a little, it's completely normal. Now, sift in the flour and the remaining dry ingredients, then mix briefly. Add the milk and combine everything just until smooth. Divide the batter into 2 bowls, making sure one bowl has slightly more batter than the other. Stir vanilla extract into the larger portion. For the smaller portion, sift in the cocoa powder and mix thoroughly. Then add up to 2 tablespoons of milk and mix well. Prepare your pan. Butter a standard loaf pan and dust it lightly with flour. Now Now for the fun part, layering. Start by spooning a layer of vanilla batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Then add a dollop of chocolate batter to the center and gently spread it, pushing it slightly in the middle while leaving some vanilla batter visible around the edges. Alternate layers of vanilla and chocolate, repeating the same process until all the batter is used up. To create the signature marbled effect, take a buttered knife and swirl it through the batter in an S shape. Preheat your oven and while it's heating, place the cake in the fridge. This hot-cold contrast helps the cake rise beautifully. Bake the cake for 10 minutes at the initial temperature. Then reduce the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 40 minutes or until a cake tester comes out clean. Let the cake cool for at least 20 minutes before removing it from the pan and slicing. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you have any thoughts, questions, or ideas, leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, have a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.